All right, roof inspection in Port Republic, Maryland. Right on the water over there. The lady's had her door knocked on a million times, so she wanted to call in someone she knows to have us take a look to see if there's any storm damage that the insurance would cover. And to be honest, this roof is holding on good and I don't see it. Them guys knocking on the door. Ah, never mind. They must have seen this. Look at that. And I would say these are non-repairable. I'm sure the effort to replace this would crease that shingle. Yeah, they're gonna break right off. All right. I'm gonna mark it up.